In this video, I'll be walking you through the steps on how you can go about setting an appointment for the US Embassy. To achieve this, you want to go to the ais.usvisa-info.com website. The link will be in the description of this video. Now, once you're on this website, you're going to select the type of visa that you're applying for. So in this case, let's say it's a non-immigrant visa. Select your consulate location from the list. Then scroll down and select apply. Scroll down again, select what best applies to you. Then select continue. Then scroll down and complete your personal information, accept the terms and agreement, and then select create account. Now, I already have an account, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to log in and show you what to expect, right? So let's log in. Now, once you're in the portal, you're going to select new group. By default, that's the only option that is available. Then scroll down, select what best applies, and select continue. Complete your personal information. Select your visa class, select your date of birth, specify your primary phone number, select what best applies to you, and then select create applicant. Does this visa type match your travel? Review the information and then select what best applies. Check all the statements that apply. Do you wish to add another applicant to your application? Select what best applies. On this page, depending on which country you're from again, your document pickup location will be different. So select what best applies and then you select a person who will be authorized to pick up the documents. Then select continue. Now this step is where you make your payment, right? So let's say a credit card, and then once you select continue, it will ask you to provide your credit card information or debit card. Now from here, this is just for demonstration purposes, right? So on the next step, once your payment is successful, is where you're able to select your interview date. And then at the end, after you select your interview date, you'll see a list of instructions and what you need to do. So you'll need to carry like your DS-160 form, a passport photo, etc., right? All the information that you need for the interview will be displayed on the instructions page. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.